Good day everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to discuss the mathematical language and symbol. So take note that this is just an introduction. So let me introduce myself first. I am Jasmine Santos and I am a student of Mr. Ragon from BSBA Marketing Management. So let's start. The definition of language. So what is language? Language is a systematic way of communication with other people. Use of sounds or conventions, symbols. So, meaning to say, language is used to communicate with others, either using sounds or symbols. The importance of language. Language was invented to communicate ideas to others. The language of mathematics was designed to write numbers, to write into sets, in functions, and to represent the perform operation. So, when we say perform operation, we have the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, and the division. Some important sets are the following. The set of natural numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Next is the set of whole numbers. Start with the 0, then 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Then, the set of integers. Here, as you can see, we have the -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So, when you observe these sets, 0 belongs to whole numbers and integers, but it is not part of the natural numbers. Next is the set of rational numbers. Um, it, it, it includes the whole numbers, the decimals, and the fractions. Next is the set of irrational numbers. These are the numbers that cannot be converted to fractions. Next is the set of real numbers. It includes the rationals and irrational numbers. Next, and um, lastly, the complex numbers. It consists of real and imaginary numbers. Mathematical symbols and language. I have a picture here that shows the mathematical symbols and language that we commonly use. So we have here the perform operations, the signs are the symbols for union, the subset, equals, and so on and so forth. So guys, di lang ito yung lahat kasi ito lang yung mga common na ginagamit natin. So marami pa yan. Next, characteristics of the mathematics language. We have here the precise. Precise means it is able to make very fine distinction. So when we say precise, it is clear, it is understandable, and it is easy to distinguish. Next is concise. Concise means it is able to say things briefly, meaning to say, maikli lang siya, mas pinapaikli niya yung mga bagay. So, example niyan sa problem solving, di ba? Sobrang haba ng sobrang haba na sinasabi, pero iisa lang naman yung gustong iparating. Iisa lang naman yung gustong hanapin. So, kapag sa sentence form, ang daming salita, minsan nakakalito na. Pero, using mathematics language, kapag ginamitan natin siya niyan, mas maikli at mas alam natin, mas naiintindihan natin, mas naunawaan natin. Lastly, the powerful. Powerful means it is able to express complex thoughts with relative ease. So, meaning to say, gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, di ba? It is able to express complex thoughts. So, instead of using sentence when we when we find something, mas okay kapag ginamitan natin siya ng mathematics language kasi nga mas maikli lang siya tsaka mas mapapadali. The difficulties. So, dito makikita natin yung mga salita or yung mga bagay na pwedeng maging sagabal sa atin or kung saan tayo nahihirapan kadalasan sa pag-unawa. So, unang-una dyan, the word is could mean equality, inequality, or member in a set. Next, different use of a number. We have here the cardinal, the ordinal, the nominal, and the ratio. Next, the mathematical objects may be represented in many ways. So we can represent it using sets, functions, graphs, mathematical expressions, formulas, and equations. Next, the words and or mean differently in mathematics from its English use. So, for example niyan in sets. In sets, and means intersection and or means union. So, the words is and or has a many meaning. So, marami silang ibig sabihin. So, it depends kung paano natin siya ginamit sa sentence. So, di ba nga kapag sentence mas mahirap. So, may iba-iba tayong perception kung may iba-iba tayong kumbaga pagkakaintindi sa sentence. Ayun, kaya para sa akin, kung sa math lang, mas okay na gumamit lang ng mga mathematical language and symbols. So, I have an activity here. So, let's try. Describe the error in each of the following. So, number 1, 0 is a subset of W. Naalala niyo ba yung sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Ang 0 ay part ng integers and whole numbers pero hindi siya part ng natural numbers. So, yan. Ano bang nire-represent ng W? Ang ibig sabihin ng W is diba, whole number. So, ang 0 daw ay subset ng whole numbers. May error ba dyan? May dapat pa ba tayong baguhin? Wala na, diba? So, there is no error in the statement because 0 is a whole number. So, number 2. Given the function x plus 20, find the value of f of 5. So, ang x plus 20 daw ay function. Tama ba? Function nga ba? No. Because it is just an expression. So paano natin to i-correct? So, using the functional notation, we can write f of x is equals to y. So, gaya nga sabi ko kanina, diba, x plus 20 is just an expression. So, it should be y is equals to x plus 20. So, last. The ordered pair 8 and 9 is the element of function, where f is a function. So, sabi, ang ordered pair ay, ang 8 at 9 daw ay ordered pair. So, meaning to say, x is equals to 8, then y is equals to 9. So, ano ba yung function na yan? Paano, may mali ba dito o wala? So, there is no error in the statement because 8 and 9 is an ordered pair and it is associated with the function. So, let's have another one. Let's try to translate each sentence using mathematical symbols. So, the first one is negative 143 is an integer. So, paano ba natin siya i-convert or ita-translate using the mathematical symbols? We're going to use the itong symbol na yan. So, ang z ay nirepresent ang integer. So, integer ba yung negative 143 na yan? Yes, kasi negative siya. 'Di ba? Sa integers, meron tayong negative, the zero, and the positive numbers. So, sa pangalawa, x is multiple by 10. So, we have to think numbers that is multiple by 10. So, syempre, kasama na dyan yung 10 mismo. So, ano pa? Paano mo siya isusulat? Ganyan. X is equals to, or ang kabilang dyan sa x na yan ay ang 10, 20, 30, and so on and so forth. So, pangatlo, x is an even number. So, gaya ng pagkakasulat sa pangalawa, mag-iisip ka lang ng mga even numbers. So, ayan, ganyan siya. 2, 4, 6, and so on and so forth. So, ayan, yung sa last, sobrang dali na lang yan, 'di ba? Ewan ko na lang kung di pa magawa. So, x is equals to y. So, ano ba yung, ano bang sign or ang symbol ng equals? 'Di ba ang, ay, di ko pa nalalagay. So, 'di ba, alam naman natin yung symbol ng equal. So, lalagay lang natin, x is equals to y. So, that's it for today's, guys. Thank you for watching. And I hope may natutunan kayo. Thank you.